How to make YouTube Shorts video on CapCut PC. What's up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily create a YouTube Shorts video on your CapCut. So if you have a horizontal video on your CapCut and want to make it like a YouTube short, so here I've got this video. So what I'm going to do here is add this to my track by pressing this plus icon. Now once you add this here, as you can see here, this does not look good. So what I'm going to do is select the scale and then change the ratio to 9:16, because if it's on the original, it will be full screen. Now I'm going to go ahead and just change it to 9:16, which is the vertical form. And all I'm going to do here is zoom in on the video until I get here on this point where I'm able to track these birds. So let's say if I want to track this particular bird right here or any of these ones, what I'm going to do is move this to the beginning of the video. And then from here, let's just start by tracking this bird. First thing you do is add the keyframe on this transform option. Once you do that, just go ahead and track this bird whenever it goes to the whenever it goes off the screen. You can just go ahead and scroll it like this and then track the bird again and add a keyframe, transform. Just keep doing the same thing until you find the bird. So let's just go ahead and do this again and then add transform. Now just wait again and then find the bird, add transform. Keep doing this until you see your bird. So just keep pressing it. I'm going to add a keyframe here as well. Transform. And then finally on the last one, this. So if I just keep playing the video, as you can see, the video also moves with the birds. So that's how you make a YouTube short on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.